Diane in Denmark here, rah, 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 oh, hold on. It's time for dinner. The table is not set, but don't you worry, I have a super simple dish for you. It's Coronation Chicken, a great way to use up leftover chicken. It'll be ready in 5 minutes. So we are in lockdown, the family are around. I'm filming as I can. I'll do a voiceover. The main thing is that you get your hands washed, get your pinny on, and get somebody else to set the table, and let's cook dinner. Okay, let's go. So Coronation Chicken, we're having it with potatoes. So if you're going to have it with potatoes, if you've got leftover potatoes, that's great. Otherwise, get those on the boil, because the Coronation Chicken really just takes minutes to put together, especially if you have some leftover chicken. But let's take a wee quick walk through the ingredients. And we are starting off, of course, with chicken. That's the main thing. I've in this bowl here, I've actually got some which is from our freezer. It's kind of, you can just thaw it and use it. You can also cook up some chicken fillets if you want to do that. And then the kind of star ingredients are curry powder or curry paste, whatever you have, and mango chutney. Now there are 100 different ways of making Coronation Chicken. This is my way. The chutney gives it a really nice sweet flavour, very easy to use. And the original recipe from 1953 used mayonnaise. You may find that a bit heavy. We like to use a mixture of mayonnaise and creme fraiche. And if you don't want to use mayonnaise or creme fraiche, you could use, for example, some Greek yogurt. Just use whatever you've got on hand. And as I say, everybody's got their own way of making Coronation Chicken, but this is how we normally have it. And we're going to have it as a salad tonight. You can also just use the Coronation Chicken as a sandwich filling. I'm making a salad, so I've cut up the cucumber, and because I'll have leftovers for tomorrow, I usually take out the inside of the cucumber just so it's not so wet the next day. And I've got some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and some salad leaves, a wee bit of watercress. Again, whatever you have on hand. And so anyway, let's get started. Right, let's get started. So in my bowl, I've got some mayonnaise. I'm also using creme fraiche, curry powder, and the lovely mango chutney. And we're just going to stir that together. The original dish, it's a British classic. It was for Queen Elizabeth II's coronation back in 1953, so it's a really old recipe. And as I said, the original used mayonnaise. You're going to have to eyeball the amounts here, add more curry powder, add more mango chutney to taste. And the amount of sauce you're going to need, of course, will depend on how much leftover shredded chicken or cooked chicken or whatever kind of chicken you've got. And then we add our chicken to the sauce, give that a good mix. And we like to eat it as a salad, so I just kind of plate it up, starting with salad leaves and then adding everything else on top. But you could use it as a sandwich filling, you can use it on baked potatoes, but it makes a really nice lunch or an easy summer evening dinner. But we are having it today with boiled potatoes on the side. Remember, you could add some leftover potatoes you have. And the thing that I always do at the end, oh, you might also need a wee bit of salt and pepper. The thing I always do at the end is add a wee bit of some greenery on the top of the food. That's just to tease my son, because when he was very small, when he saw chives on top of things, he would say, "Mum, why are you putting grass on top of our food?" So that's it. So anyway, there we have it, a British classic, Coronation Chicken. So I hope you enjoyed our little demo. All I've got left to say is oh, hold on. If you're looking for more recipes and easy crafts on the playlist there, live long and prosper. May the Danish and British sugar be with you, and I'll see you very soon. Rah, rah, rah.